Okay. Our name of the lesson is the Harappan civilization. In the world, there are various civilizations get famous. Various civilization, but the Indus civilization or the Harappan civilization is the famous civilization in the world. How that we have also learned how this civilization get the name Harappan civilization. That we have also learned that the archaeological excavation has started at Harappa. It is in the Punjab, but when at 1921, when it is at 1921, this archaeological excavation began. Okay, this is how the civilization, that is this civilization is known as the Harappan civilization, and another name for this civilization is the Indus civilization that we have learned. Then the excavation of this civilization or this started at Mohenjo-daro, which is 650 kilometer to the south direction of the Harappa in the Indus Valley. Clearly, so this much this excavation, it is started in the Harappa, which is in Punjab, and the excavation, it goes till Mohenjo-daro, and Mohenjo-daro is 650 kilometer to the south direction of the Harappa. Okay, so whatever the structures are found in Harappa or in the Mohenjo-daro, everywhere there is a similarity, whatever they found in that excavation. Okay, similarly, same kind of the structures or artifacts they found the Indian sites of Harappa civilization is Dholavira, Lothal, Kalibangan, and Daimabad. These are the Indian sites of Harappan civilization. Which one? Dholavira, Lothal, Kalibangan, and the Dainabad. And here in this civilization, as we have discussed, the some characteristics mean the some important things are, this includes some important things are town planning, construction of houses, and the drainage system, steel spot toys, and the burial customs. These are the main characteristics of civilization. Okay, students, so that what is interesting, or the main important things of Harappa civilization. It includes town planning, construction of houses, drainage system, seal pots, choice, and royal custom. So students, you should keep it in mind and you should understand, because such kind of question when you will rejoin the school, okay, at that time this kind of things is going to useful for you. Okay, then the first characteristics of the Harappan civilization is the housing and the town planning. Okay, then the houses and other structures. If you will see students, the houses in the Harappan civilization and other structures, it gets built with the baked bricks. Baked bricks means that you know very well that the bricks get made up of the mud, but we have to bake them. We have to keep that brick in the fire, so that kind of brick is known as the baked brick. Then somewhere we have found the unbaked bricks also. Even they use stones for the construction. Then everyone's houses, there is a central courtyard. Everyone's house. And all the peoples, they are building the courtyard in their houses The houses had wells. Every house has the wells, even bathrooms and the toilets. During that time, during the Harappans, where there were no modern facilities, but having was this in everyone's house, bathrooms and the toilets. And even there was an excellent drainage system. Excellent drainage using the big earthen conduits, big bricks they are using, and they are and on that drainage system having a very flat roads. So by considering this, what we come to know that during that time, the peoples, during when there was a Harappan civilization, the peoples are concerned about the public health. Okay, students, then if you will see this streets, you will see that the streets are broad and they have the very great pattern, and houses were built. And then see, this is the structure of these houses. It is in the rectangular block. Okay, and the town. See here, you will see here town is divided into 4 sections. This is one section, second section, this is third section, and here it is a 4 section. Okay, but each section have the fortification. Each section has the fortification. It means that this section, when there is a foreign attacks or any kind of flood, so that people get stayed here. Okay, and here there is a one section. Here they carry. Here they store the extra food in case of any emergency. And here there is a houses. Okay, student, that we have learned. Then see here sills and pots. Okay, so during that time, might be you have done or not, but when I was small, what I'm very habitual, I cut the potatoes, and in that potatoes I used to carve something. Matlab a potato, any flower shape and any shape that I can draw, and I put that ink, and I'm trying to make that print on the rough paper, not anywhere, on a rough paper, so that I'm very happy that it is a kind of the seal. Normally you have seen, if you got any paper from the school, official paper from the school, they're having a stamp and seal of our school. So I guess such kind of the seal would come in from this. Even while sitting at home, I have seen some students, they're taking chalks of the schools, and they are carving on that chalk, and some students, they carve very beautiful. If you will deep that carving on this on the ink, and you will take a print, it just like your seal. Okay, लेकिन अभी घर पे जाके पोटैटो कट नहीं करने, otherwise your mama is going to shout on you. But if there is जो खराब मम्मी potatoes फेंकती है, some part you can make these things from that also. Okay, so here sills and pots. Even if you will observe this very carefully, these sills and pots are having in a square shape. If see, it is in this very square shape, and it is made from stone. Really, this seal, it is in square shape, and it is made up of from stone. So that's why it's called a certite. It's called the certite. These seals having the pictures of the animals. See, here there is a picture of the rhinoceros. Here there is a picture of the bull. Somewhere is a picture of the, here you can see the picture of the elephant. Okay, so it means what? The pictures of animals. It includes what kind of picture? Real animals, so that it is bulls, buffaloes, oxen, elephants, rhinos, tigers. This kind of pictures were there. And somewhere it is a unicorn. Unicorn, you know very well that unicorn is a imaginary horse that having horn, one horn on his head. So it is an imaginary one like horn. It is also there. And even human figures, if you will see this properly, see, it is a picture of the human figure. And in excavation they found, then there is a on seal, they found the human figure also. And if you will observe the spots, these are the these are the earthen pots which was made during the time of the Harappan civilization. And where they found this pots, they found during the time of the excavation. If you will see this pot very carefully, then you will see that these pots are the red terracotta pots. Red terracotta pots means it is a kind of the pot, okay, which is have a particular pattern. In that pattern, if you will see, there is a fish scales. Here you can see the fish scale, and here the interlocking circles. See, here the interlocking circles are there, and here the people leaves are there. You can, these are the pattern. So what are the pattern on the pot during the time of the Harappan civilization? Then you should be answering well. Interlocking circles, fish scales, and the people leaves. Okay, but how? Got this earthen pots because during the time of the Harappan civilization, the people, after the death of a person, the Harappan people buried the dead, buried the dead people along with this earthen pots. When the, if any people get died, when the peoples get to buried him, they buried him along with pot. So that from due because of this only we can see such kind of the pots. Okay, students. Now here the great bath. See, this is the great bath, and this bath get discovered at Mohenjo-daro. Where it get discovered? It discovered at Mohenjo-daro. And this bath is 2.5 meter deep. See, this much is deep, 2.5 meter, and the long, sorry, and the long is the 12 meter, and the wide is the 7 meter. Okay, and if you will see it properly, it is has a very this great bath has made with a baked bricks, so that they can prevent the seepage of water, so that the water cannot be leak out. Okay, so there are some also steps leading down. So these are the steps with the head on both the side. With the help of this step, the peoples can come inside. So these are the leading down steps, and this is this kind of the tank or the great bath they were using for the draining, cleaning, and this tank they were draining also, and they were clean also, and they refill this tank also. Okay, students. So we have learned till the great bath and the life of the Harappan civilization. As today that our the main occupation is the agriculture, even the same, the Harappan people practice this agriculture, and the excavation is found. Means the how we come to know that the Harappan people make the agriculture, because the plugged field, the evidence of plugged field is found at Kalibangan. And the people, they what they grew, wheat, barley. Even the Rajasthan barley was grown on a large scale, and it is in Gujarat also. Okay, and in Gujarat the ragi. In Rajasthan, what they grown the barley, and in Rajasthan it is ragi. Okay, then peas are there, sesame, lentils were also cultivated. So the Harappan peoples were familiar with the cotton. Okay, then if you will see it properly, this is a statue. Okay, the statue, the picture on the seals. Seals means, see, here there is a picture these are the seals. The picture on the seals, this one, it is on the, see, if you will proceed, that I said that it is the interlocking circles. Such kind of things were also found on the cloth that we found in during the time of the excavation. And even the people use the wave clothes. Wave clothes means weaving करके जो clothes बनाते हैं ना, that is wave clothes. And if you see it, the dress of the both men and women, they wear the knee length cloth, means they wear the only clothes till knee and having only the upper garment. And these are the ornaments here. And the many types of the ornaments, if you will see it properly, this in the excavation they found the ornaments which is made up of gold, copper, and even from the precious stones, shells, cowries, and the seeds. And even men and women, they both wear this one multi-strand necklace, even rings, armlets, and waistbands. Women wore such kind of bangles, and they wore the bangles till the upper arm. Upper arm tak pehante the wo. Okay, so that then if you will see it, observe it properly. This statue, which one? This statue, this picture is this statue is fine at the time of the Harappan side. It present an excellent specimen, very good example specimen of their art. It shows that the man facial expression very clearly, that from this you come to know that he is very calm. Okay, and the here the cloak with a beautiful trefoil pattern drop. मतलब one shoulder they are using such kind of the cloth. Okay, then the trade. The Harappan people carried on trade within India as well as with the other country outside. Why? Because we have learned the man they started to establish themselves on the bank of the river or on the bank of the sea. So because of that, what happened? We carried a trade. We carried a trade with the outside. Even the Indus Valley is very known for the high quality cotton. Really, we are known for the high quality cotton. Even this cotton we are exporting to West Asia, Southern Europe, and the Egypt, and even cotton clothes too. And the Harappan civilization, it means we providing muslin cloth. What we are providing? Muslin cloth to the Egypt. And even some items are imported from Kashmir, that are silver, gemstones, rubies, devda woods, and zinc. These things they are exporting from the Afghanistan and by sea route also, because Afghanistan is firstly Pakistan was a part of our India. Okay, and that's why Afghanistan was our neighboring country. So definitely we are going to carry trade with Afghanistan by land route and somewhere by sea route. Okay, students, and some of the excavated seal, and here there is a picture of seal, there is a picture of ship on the seal. Okay, and the huge dockyard means the where we can make the trade, that is discovered at Lothal. Then the trade of the Harappan civilization was carried on the this here we are having the Arabian Sea. Harappan civilization was carried on the coastline of the Arabian Sea. Okay, students. Now here civilization. Okay, so there are frequent floods. So many times the flood has come, or the foreign attacks, or the it is not proper, cannot do a properly, or we are not getting the opportunity. So these are the reason for declination of the Harappan civilization. So students, what are the reason for declination of Harappan civilization? First, frequent flood, foreign attacks, declination of trade. These are the main reason or some reason for the declination of Harappan civilization. Then other, monsoon is not proper, drying up river basin, earthquake, changes in the sea level. Changes in the sea level means the level of sea get increases and the water is trying to come in their houses. So these are the reason for the Harappan civilization. Even the people get migrated. They migrated means they goes one place to another. So this one is also cause for the decline of cities. Even the Harappan civilization is a very flourishing urban civilization. Very flourishing. It means they give the idea that how the people are synchronized, how the people behave in a very disciplined manner. Okay, so it is laid the foundation of the Indian civilization. Okay, student. So in this lesson, what we have learned, what is meant by Harappan civilization, why civilization is known as. Second, we have learned that what is the characteristics of this civilization, or what are the Indian sites of the Harappan civilization, that are Kalibangan, Dholavira, Daimabad, and the Lothal. These are the Indian sites. Okay, the Harappan civilization are town planning, roads, construction of houses, drainage systems, seaports, trade, toys, burial customs. So we have learned about it. Even we have learned what are the reasons of the Harappan civilization. And here we have learned with our lesson. Okay, students. So that now lesson. Now it's time evaluation. Okay.